交流讨论，有请。
穆罕默德教授，请问您怎么看待国际医学教育所面临的挑战与机遇？
Assalamu alaikum and ni hao and good afternoon. It's a great pleasure to be here and be a part of this discussion forum. As the president of China-Pakistan Medical Association, we have been working on this platform for the cooperation between China and Pakistan, the cooperation between the health and the education. For the last few years, we have been facing challenges of COVID-19. And before and after the COVID-19, the world of the medical education and health has totally changed. So one country or one nation or one institute cannot combat with diseases. For example, take the COVID-19. During the COVID-19, China took the stance and it started COVID vaccine research, and also different countries, they joined hands together and be part of it. So I think with the passage of time, as there are more and more complex diseases are evolving. For example, there are cancer, there are cardiovascular diseases and there are genetic diseases, and we need to join hands together. And ASEAN is a great platform. We can combine the ASEAN and One Belt, One Road together, and we can make a platform where we can have a greater impact and greater collaboration. We can use the advanced technology. We have this digital medicine these days. We have this big data, artificial intelligence, and we can combine them with medical education, and we can also combine the telemedicine. And using this telemedicine, artificial intelligence, big data, and we can train our doctors, train our nurses, and nurses are very important, and they are the integral part of the whole healthcare system. So not only training the nurses and also the doctors, and if we can have this kind of platform where we can train the nurses and doctors using the artificial intelligence, training them how to use this advanced technology to fight against the diseases is very important. And we need to think at a bigger level, and we need to think across the borders. We forget our races, we forget our nationalities. We combine together and think as one humankind to fight against the diseases, to save the next generations to come. I think this is very important, and the China-Pakistan Medical Association has taken the initiative, and we have established a lot of collaboration between China and Pakistan. And China and Pakistan already have the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. And in 2017, our association put forward the idea of China-Pakistan Health Corridor. So the health corridor basically is the combination of the regional healthcare centers across the One Belt, One Road countries, and where we can have these medical universities, nursing institutes, paramedical institutes, RT, research and entrepreneurship and innovation and research and development, all at one place. So all these innovative ideas, innovative minds, we can combine together and we can link them using the artificial intelligence, big data, and telemedicine. Telemedicine is very important in these days because of during the COVID times, we have seen the doctors cannot go to physically see the patient. Sometimes we use the mobile phone, advanced technology, and we can talk with the patient. And in the remote areas where we have the floods, where we have the earthquakes, and where the doctors cannot reach, and sometimes there are areas where there is a war, so we can send the robots, we can send the artificial intelligence robots, we can use the virtual reality and augmented reality, and this can help to treat the patients. So concluding my remarks for today's session, that I am very hopeful that the ASEAN and One Belt, One Road will join hands together, and we will have one bigger platform for the whole countries in this region to have the better and prosperous and the healthy future of our next generations. Thank you very much. 谢谢大家。
好，谢谢穆罕默德教授啊。刚刚穆罕默德教授呢，从我们抗击新冠疫情这个背景入手啊， 谈到我们人类面临的共同挑战，这个疾病对我们人类就是没有国界的。那么谈到我们加强的合作的重要性，加强合作的重要性，特别提到一些我们合作的路径，包括人工智能，包括互联网加等等。这个特别强调了我们中国和东盟之间的合作，尤其是中国和巴基斯坦之间的合作的必要性和路径和必要性。这个感谢穆罕默德教授。今天我们的论坛就到此结束啊。这个听了刚刚几位嘉宾的发言呢，应该说我们对这一教育发展的前景，以及包括我们的挑战、我们的机遇，应该都有了很好的认识。特别是几位专家，我们国内国外的专家分享一些他们的经验和体会，我觉得对我们大家都会很有体会，对我们下面进一步推动我们职业教育这个内涵的建设，助力我们教育强国的建设，助力我们健康中国，推动人类健康事业的发展，应该都很有帮助啊。谢谢各位嘉宾，也谢谢各位观众。好，谢谢大家。
好的，让我们再次以掌声感谢各位专家教授精彩的经验分享。